they're booked because the Joe Rogan, I was getting on the Joe Rogan show, and sometimes they're booked up a year in advance. So sometimes they have to book you ahead of time. So,
right.
you know.
But this is, I know Jeff he's trying to get a bunch of shows in the can for this month. I think he's take a break or something. But so there's just a few to do. But then apparently he like twisted his ankle and he couldn't do these shows. So that's why we're filling in. So.
Yeah.
But again, it's so good to catch up with you, and there's so many things about you I just don't know, and I don't even know, like the guitar thing. Tell me about the guitar thing, and how and when did you learn guitar?
I picked up the guitar sporadically because I was speaking on sound. I was discussing the physics of sound. You know, what is sound? It has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, it has acceleration, it has momentum. But I felt cheap because I couldn't understand, hey, I'm speaking on the physics of sound, but you have no idea what is music, how music works. So I picked up an instrument